Testable.
Well,
verifiable,
you have to go through a scientific process through anything.
scientific method. Yes.
Yeah, scientific method. You have to start with a hypothesis, gather data.
Right,
And
but
prove
God
it.
is unprovable, right? So what's that
Right.
called? It's kind of a negative word.
You can't prove a negative.
Unfalsifiable.
You can't prove a
Unfalsifiable.
negative.
Things
You
have
can't
to be
prove a negative.
unfalsifiable for us to
Right.
rationally talk about it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
If there is a unicorn orbiting Juniper,